This is Blink Outdoor 2K Plus. It delivers sharp 2K video, enhanced audio with noise cancellation, and color night vision, all in a durable, weather-resistant design with up to 2 years of battery life. So whether you're getting started or thinking about picking one up, I'll show you how to set it up and start using its key features. Now, in the box, you'll find your Blink Outdoor 2K Plus, a sync module, a mounting kit with screws, and a pair of Energizer lithium batteries, which will help get you up to 2 years of battery life. And this is everything you need to get going. Getting started with Blink is simple. First, download the Blink Home Monitor app and set up your account. Now, think of this app as your control hub. It's where you'll view, manage, and personalize your Blink devices right from your phone. If this is your first Blink device, you'll need to add a sync module before adding your camera. The sync module extends battery life for your wireless cameras and brings all of your Blink devices into just one system. Now, if you already have a sync module, you're ready to add your Outdoor 2K Plus camera. Once your sync module is connected, open the back of the camera. Then open the app and tap the plus icon, select wireless cameras, then scan the QR code inside the back cover of your Outdoor 2K Plus. If you're having trouble scanning the QR code, you can manually enter the serial number on the back too. Next, add your Energizer lithium batteries, making sure to line up the positive and the negative symbols. Once the app finds the camera, select which system to add it to. Choose your network, tap save, and you're all set. When the camera connects, you'll see it on your home screen. You can tap the 3 dots here to rename your camera or adjust your settings. The Blink Outdoor 2K Plus is built for flexible placement. Just screw the mounting bracket into a surface and attach the camera. You can mount it on a wall, fence, post, or under an overhang using the included hardware. Ideal height is between 5 and 10 feet above ground and angled slightly down. This gives you the best field of view for people, pets, and activity zones. Once your camera is mounted, adjust the camera so it's pointed at what you want to keep an eye on. And then you can use your app to check your view, adjust privacy zones, and dial in your sensitivity. With IP65 rated Blink Weather Shield, it's ready for dust, rain, snow, or blazing heat, even sub-zero temps. Plus, there's more. With a Blink Subscription Plus plan, Smart Detection distinguishes between people, vehicles, and other motion for a more precise notification. With a Plus plan, experience advanced features like unlimited cloud storage for 60 days and Blink Moments, which stitches together multiple clips across your cameras into one seamless video. The Blink Outdoor 2K Plus includes powerful features like color night vision, 2-way audio communication through the app, and 4x zoom for detailed viewing. Plus, it seamlessly connects with your other Blink devices to provide a total home coverage. Thank you for watching, and make sure to explore the Blink Home Monitor app to discover even more features to get the most from your Outdoor 2K Plus.